Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen game? From clever slicers to cutting-edge appliances, we've compiled 15 must-have kitchen gadgets that every home cook will love. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting, these tools are designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable in the kitchen. Stick around because we've saved a surprise for the end that could transform your cooking habits forever. Links to all these amazing gadgets are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 15. OXO Good 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Starting the list with a kitchen essential for avocado lovers, the OXO Good 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer makes prepping your favorite fruits safe and efficient. This tool combines slicing, pitting, and scooping into one sleek design. The blade easily cuts through avocado skin without being sharp enough to pose a safety risk. The stainless steel pitter removes the seed with a simple twist, and the fan blade scoops out perfect slices. Plus, it's compact and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Number 14. Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener. The Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener is the ultimate hands-free solution for opening cans effortlessly. This gadget's sleek design makes it easy to store, while its one-touch operation ensures convenience. Press the button, and it automatically glides around the can, cutting a smooth edge without sharpness. Ideal for those with arthritis or limited hand strength, it's safe, compact, and surprisingly quiet. Number 13. MEATER Smart Meat Thermometer. The MEATER Smart Meat Thermometer is a game-changer for grilling, roasting, and smoking meats. This wireless thermometer syncs with your smartphone, providing precise, real-time cooking data. The app guides you through the cooking process, from preparation to resting, ensuring perfect doneness every time. With a range of up to 165 feet, it's ideal for indoor and outdoor cooking. The MEATER eliminates guesswork and helps you achieve restaurant-quality results, whether you're making steak, chicken, or fish. Number 12. OXO Salad Spinner. The OXO Salad Spinner combines practicality with ease, helping you clean and dry greens in seconds. Featuring a pump mechanism, it allows for effortless spinning with one hand, while the brake button stops the motion instantly. The crystal clear bowl doubles as a serving dish, and the basket can be used as a colander. Ideal for washing lettuce, herbs, or berries, it ensures your greens stay crisp and fresh. Number 11. ThermoWorks Thermapen Precision meets speed with the ThermoWorks Thermapen, the go-to tool for serious cooks and bakers. This instant read thermometer delivers accurate readings in just 2 seconds, perfect for everything from steaks to candy making. Its splash-proof design and durable build ensure long-lasting performance, while the rotating display adapts to any angle for easy reading. Whether you're grilling, frying, or baking, the Thermapen ensures precise temperature control, eliminating overcooked or undercooked results. Number 10. Ooni Volt 12 Electric Pizza Oven. For pizza enthusiasts, the Ooni Volt 12 Electric Pizza Oven brings authentic, wood-fired flavor to your countertop. This compact yet powerful oven reaches 850 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes, baking Neapolitan-style pizzas in 90 seconds. Adjustable temperature controls make it versatile for other dishes like roasted vegetables, flatbreads, and desserts. Its sleek design and durable construction ensure it fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Number 9. Balmuda, the Brew Coffee Maker. Start your mornings right with the Balmuda. The Brew Coffee Maker, a masterpiece of design and functionality. This machine uses precise water temperature control and a unique brewing process to create rich, aromatic coffee. It features 3 brewing modes: regular, strong, and iced, catering to every preference. The minimalist design complements any kitchen, while its compact size saves counter space. Number 8. GE Profile UltraFast Smart Air Fry Oven. The GE Profile UltraFast Smart Air Fry Oven redefines multitasking in the kitchen. Combining air frying, convection baking, and broiling, this smart oven cooks up to 30% faster than traditional methods. The Wi-Fi-enabled app allows you to monitor and control your cooking remotely, while the large capacity accommodates family-sized meals. Perfect for crispy fries, roasted chicken, or even baked goods, it delivers consistent, delicious results with less oil. Loving these gadgets? We've scouted the best deals for you. Check the links in the description below. Number 7. Breville, the Smoking Gun. Pro add a touch of gourmet flair to your dishes with Breville the Smoking Gun Pro. This handheld smoker lets you infuse meats, cheeses, cocktails, and more with natural wood smoke flavors in minutes. Its dual-speed fan and removable burn chamber make it easy to control intensity and clean after use. Compact and portable, it's perfect for outdoor barbecues or dinner parties. Whether you're experimenting with smoked salmon or adding flair to your old-fashioned, this gadget takes your culinary creativity to new heights. Number 6. BLACK+DECKER Kitchen Wand. Cordless 4-in-1 Immersion Blender. The BLACK+DECKER Kitchen Wand is a versatile cordless tool that combines 4 functions: blending, whisking, chopping, and frothing. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the rechargeable battery provides freedom to move around the kitchen. Its interchangeable attachments make it easy to switch between tasks, whether you're making smoothies, whipping cream, or chopping nuts. Compact and easy to store, this gadget simplifies meal prep and expands your culinary possibilities without cluttering your counter. Number 5. Fellow Stagg EKG Electric Kettle. Precision and style meet with the Fellow Stagg EKG Electric Kettle, a must-have for tea and coffee enthusiasts. Its variable temperature control allows you to heat water to the exact degree, perfect for delicate teas or pour-over coffee. The sleek design features a gooseneck spout for precise pouring, while the LCD display provides real-time temperature readings. Number 4. Zojirushi NPHCC 1010XH Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi NPHCC 1010XH rice cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking perfect rice. Using induction heating technology, it adjusts temperature and cooking time for flawless results. The multi-menu settings cater to various grains, including white rice, brown rice, and porridge. Its durable, non-stick inner pot ensures even heating and easy cleaning. With a sleek stainless steel exterior and advanced features, this rice cooker is a reliable and stylish addition to any kitchen. Number 3. CRUX GG TRNR Double Rotation Waffle Maker. Elevate your breakfast game with the CRUX GG TRNR Double Rotation Waffle Maker. Its rotating design ensures even cooking for fluffy, golden waffles every time. With adjustable browning controls and a non-stick surface, it caters to every preference and simplifies cleanup. The double waffle capacity makes it perfect for feeding a crowd, while its sleek design fits any kitchen decor. Whether you're making classic waffles or experimenting with creative recipes, this gadget delivers delicious results effortlessly. Number 2. Ninja CREAMi Ice Cream Maker. Treat yourself to homemade frozen desserts with the Ninja CREAMi Ice Cream Maker. This versatile machine creates ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and more with customizable mix-in options. Its compact size and intuitive controls make it easy to use, while the powerful motor ensures smooth, creamy textures. Perfect for experimenting with unique flavors or catering to dietary preferences, the Ninja CREAMi turns any day into an ice cream day. Number 1. Vitamix Food Cycler FC50. Finally, the Vitamix Food Cycler FC50 combines sustainability with convenience. This compact appliance transforms food scraps into nutrient-rich compost in just a few hours. Ideal for reducing kitchen waste, it's perfect for eco-conscious households. Its quiet operation and odor-reducing technology make it a seamless addition to your home. Whether you're gardening or simply looking to minimize waste, the Food Cycler is a game-changer for your kitchen. And there you have it, 15 must-have kitchen gadgets that will transform the way you cook, eat, and live. Want to grab these gadgets? Check the description for links to all the products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen and lifestyle inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.